Good morning, students. Good morning, one and all, my dear students. Good morning, plus Happy New Year to all of you. Chinnar Public School, Class 6, Mathematics. Today, we are going to start Chapter 10, Ratio and Proportion. What I said? Ratio and proportion. Now, the first thing is this: what's the meaning of ratio? How we represent any number in the form of ratio. So continue students, ratio of numbers, the ratio of two non-zero numbers. Non-zero numbers are here a and b. In the fraction a upon b, and we write is it as a ratio b. So students, this one is the ratio a ratio b. A and b is here non-zero numbers. So how we write a and b in the form of ratio a ratio B. See, this double dot is called a symbol of ratio. How we can write in the another form, meaning in the fractional form A upon B. Is it okay, students? So once I repeat, the ratio of two non-zero numbers A and B is the fraction A upon B, and we write it as A ratio B and read as A is to be B. In the ratio A ratio V, in the ratio A ratio B, we call the first A is the first term, or another name is it antecedent, and B is the second term, consequent. Is it okay? A is called a first term another name is antecedent, B is equal to second term is equal to consequent. Continue. What's the example? Example 3 ratio 5 is a ratio in which first term is 3 and the second term is 5, and we define 3 ratio 5 as 3 upon 5. Is it okay, students? In this example 3 ratio 5, how we can write? 3 is the first term and 5 is the second term. Define as 3 upon 5. Continue. Now is the topic some important facts about the ratio. The ratio of two quantities in the same unit is a fraction that one quantity is of the other. Once I repeat, the ratio of two quantities in the same unit is a fraction that one quantity is of the other. Meaning जो unit A की होगी ना वही unit B की होगी. Now A to B is a ratio. A upon B written as A ratio B. Now next point, in the ratio A ratio B, the first term is A and the second term is a B. We have already discussed. Now the next term, a ratio is said to be a simplest form if the first and second terms have no common factor other than 1. Once I repeat this statement, a ratio is said to be its in simplest form of the first and the second term have no common factor other than 1. To prove this statement, we will discuss some questions from your exercise 10A. Now come on to the next point. Next point is the ratio of two numbers is usually expressed in its simplest form. Now next point, a ratio has no unit in itself. Why? Because the units will cancel to each other. After understanding the basic concept and some important facts, we are reaching on exercise 10A. In this question 1, 2 and 3 having a same type, but the way of expressing is a different. So was the students, as I said कि वो ऊपर वाला जो statement है वो हम prove करेंगे throughout the examples. So this is the point only. Find each of the following ratios in the simplest form. This is the heading of question number 1. Now if I talk about the question number 2, express each of the following ratios in the simplest form. This is also a same question कि हमें इन ratios को भी simplest form में convert करना है. Now move to the question number 3. Write each of the following ratios in the simplest form. Wow, very interesting. 3 in 1. All three questions having a same pattern that we have to convert into simplest form. But my dear students, just watch the questions. I'm doing the solution here. Question number 1, 24 to 56. So first of all, we have to convert into a ratio form. 24 ratio 56. So I can convert it into a fractional form. You are observing here. Now just cancel then to get a factor other than 1. So just think, take a help of divisibility rules. It will be cancelled by which number? Yes, I can use here number to cancel it. 4. 4 6 are 24 and 4 1 are 4. 1 left, 4 4 are 16. We get 6 upon 14, but it is again cancelling by 2. Yes, continue. 2 3s are 6 and 2 7s are 14. So students, finally we get our answer 3 upon 7, or I can say 3 ratio 7 is the simplest form of the question number 1, first option. Now let's move for the next question. Question number first, second option. 84 paise to rupees 300. As you everybody know, 100 paise makes a 1 rupees. Now I'm writing here 84 paise upon rupees 3. I'm converting it into paise, 300 paise. So now we are observing, as ma'am said ki units cancel हो जाती हैं. So this paise to paise will cancel. Now just cancel it by a greater number. So which number we will use here? Let's take a 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. Now 4 7s are 28. 2 left. 0 will convert into 20. 4 5s are 20. Now it is cancelled by again a number 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6. 1 left, 15. 3 5s are 15. So my dear students, now 7 upon 25 is not cancelling by any other number, or we can say this 7 upon 25 having a only one factor other than 1. So this is the simplest form. Question number 1 we have completed. Now the question number 2 is a very simple. Simple numbers are here. We can cancel them. Move to the question number 3. Move to the question number 3. Like I'm taking here this fourth option, 48 minute ratio 2 hours 40 minutes. So students, convert into a same unit first of all. So watch it here, 48 minute is up. Now downside 2 hours 40 minutes. As we know, 60 minutes make a 1 hour. So 60 minutes is a 1 hour. So 2 hours will be equal to 120 minutes. Is it okay? 120 minutes and 40 minutes is already here. Just add them. How many you get? 0, 6, 1. 160 minutes. So write it here after converting into a same unit. Now what's the cancellation process? Is a very simple. Minute to minute cancel. Okay. Now cancel it by 4. 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16 and 0. 12 upon 40. Cancel it by 4 again. 4 3s are 12 and 4 10s are 40. So 3 upon 10 is the simplest form of 48 minute ratio 2 hours 40 minutes. I hope you very well understand question 1, 2 and 3. Now let it move for the sum word problems. In some word problems, each and every word problem having a same type, but the concept should be a clear. Now, Mr. Sahai, question number 4, we are reading. Mr. Sahai and his wife are both our school teacher and earn rupees 16,800 and rupees 10,500 per month, respectively. The word respectively meaning here, Mr. Sahai's income is 16,800 and 10,500 is the his wife income. Find the ratio of, we having a 3 options, Mr. Sahai's income to his wife income. So watch it here. First solution, Mr. Sahai's income. What is the Mr. Sahai's income? Rupees 16,800. Ratio, I can use the ratio in the form of fraction. Yes, of course. Now his wife income 10,500. Now the cancellation process. Watch it very carefully here. This rupees, 2 rupees cancel. Ones place 0 to ones place 0. Tens place 0 to tens place 0. This is, you know already from the class 5. Now the concept is 168 upon 105. Cancel it by which number? Which number you will take it here? Just to take a help of the divisibility rules. When you will take a divisibility rules help, I'm taking here 3. Just do the sum of all the sides. 3 5s are 15 and 1 left. 3 6s are 18. Now downside, 3 3s are 9, 1 left. 3 5s are 15. Now to take the help of another number, I'm taking here 7. Okay, I'm taking here 7. 7 8s are 58, 56. Now 7 5s are 35. So students, 8 ratio 5 is the answer of Mr. Sahai's income to his wife income. I hope you understand very well the question number 4, first option. Now the next option, Mr. Sahai's income to husband's income. Oh sorry, Mrs. Sahai's. Now we need a Mrs. Sahai's income. Mrs. Sahai's income will be a 10,500 ratio 16,800. Meaning in this question we have to just reverse it. So the answer will be of this option is 5 ratio 8 because अब हमें पहले Mrs. Sahai की income बतानी है. Okay, and the second term is the Mr. Sahai. So just reverse them. So the answer will be 5 ratio 8. Now I'm erasing it. Next option, Mr. Sahai's income to the total income of 2. So we need a Mr. Sahai's income. Mr. Sahai's income, you know, 16,800. Ratio, the total of the both. The total of the both 16,800 plus 10,500. You will do the addition. So 2, 2, 7, 3, 0. This is the total of both the number, both the incomes. Now ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, zeros will cancel. Now the topic is this: 168 upon 273. Cancel it by 3 once again. 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. 3 9s are 27 and 3 1s are 3. Now it will be again cancelled by the number 7. 7 8s are 56. 7 1s are 7. 2 left. 21. 7 3s are 21. Okay. So the answer of this question is 8 ratio 13. So Mr. Sahai's income to the total income of 2 is the ratio 8 ratio 13. I hope you must understand. If understanding after you having a little bit confusion, we will discuss in today's more online classes. Let it move for the next class. Next question. Rohit earned rupees 15,300 and saves rupees 1,224 per month. Find the ratio of his income and saving. Same concept. His income and expenditure. Now the concept is the expenditure. Students, Rohit earned rupees 15,300 and saved rupees 1,224. What is the expenditure? उसने खर्च कितना किया है? So to get the expenditure, we will 15,300 में से minus करना है आपको 1,224. You will get its expenditure. You can complete this question number 5. Now move to the question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They all having a same pattern. Now the question number 6, ma'am is going to discuss with you. The ratio of two numbers of a male and female workers in a textile mill is 5 ratio 3. I repeat my question. The ratio of two numbers of a male and female workers in a textile mill is 5 ratio 3. So students, remember this 5 ratio 3 is the ratio of male and female. Start writing, which is given in the question. This blank page is for the answers, students. Okay, I'm doing here only. Watch it here. The ratio of numbers of a male and female workers in a textile mill is 5 ratio 3. So male ratio female. What is the ratio here? Oh, write it once again. Male ratio female, that is 5:3. If there are 115 male workers, students number of male workers is a 115. We have to find out what is the number of female workers in the male. Students, remember it, there is a one important, very important and stylish formula is here. We have to find out number of female workers. Okay, so the number of female workers, we have to search it here. What we have, 115 is a male workers. 115 divided by male ratio. What is the male ratio? 5. And multiplied by whatever you want. What you want? Female workers. What you want? Female workers multiplied by 3. This type questions we have done very nicely in the previous class also. Cancel it by 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10. 1 left. Now this 5 will convert into 15. 5 3s are 15. Okay. The cancellation term is over. Now 23 multiplied by 3. What we get? 3 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. So students, 69 is the number of female workers. Let's move for the next question. Now next question is question number 7. The boys and the girls in a school are in the ratio 9:5. If the total strength of a school is 448, find the number of girls. So total strength is given. So 448 divided by total of the ratio and multiplied by whatever you want. Now the question number 8. Divide rupees 1575 between Kamal and Madhu in the ratio 7:5. It's a very simple. Let's discuss question number 8. 9 और 10 भी उसी के जैसे हैं. 1575 between Kamal and Madhu in the ratio 7:5. So students, we have to find out first of all Kamal. More details we will discuss in the online classes. Kamal. Kamal's part we have to find out. So total amount is rupees 1575. This is a total amount. So we have to divide it by the total. Total is a ratio. 7 plus 2 is a 9. As I said, whatever you want a Kamal's part, so multiply it by 7. Okay. Now cancel it by 9. 9 1 ja 9. Or we can, okay, it is erased. Let's do it again. Divide rupees 1000. Kamal's part we have to find out here is equal to 1575. This is the total amount divided by the total of the ratio. 7 plus 2 is a 9, and we need a Kamal's part, to multiply it by Kamal's ratio is a 7. Cancel by 3. Cancel it by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. 1 left. 3 5s are 15. 525 upon 3 multiplied by 7. Again cancel by 3. It is cancelling by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 ja 3. What left? 2. 22. 3 7 ja 21. What left? 1. 15. 3 5s are 15. So students, the cancellation term process is over. What left? We 175 multiplied by 7. We get the part of Kamal. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry over there. 7 7 ja 49. 49 and plus 3 50. 51 52. 2. 5 carry over. 7 1 ja 7 and plus 5 12. So students, rupees 1225 is a part of Kamal. Now we need a part of Madhu. So student, total part is a 1575 rupees. and Kamal part is 1225 rupees. So we will do the minus. 1575 minus 1225 rupees. You will get the part of Madhu. Now, next question. Divide rupees 3. Question number 9. Divide rupees 300. Divide rupees 3450 among A, B and C in the ratio 3:5:7. This is the 3 ratios. So just divide it by the sum of 3 ratios and multiply it by a part of A, multiplied by 3 to get a part of B, multiplied by 5. Now part of C multiplied by 7, we get the all the answers. So students, this is for the answering page. Solve and get it your perfect answers. More details we will discuss in our online classes. Regular practice. Thank you and have a very